What's going on, everybody? Guess what? It's raining again. So you know what that means. We're doing stuff on motorcycles that we're giving away. Does this one still crank up? Alrighty guys, now that I've made sure the bike cranks up and I don't have to have an awkward conversation, welcome to another episode of WBR Garage, where we are working on the 300SS today. This is one of our giveaway bikes. We're doing a giveaway on the 300SS and the 450SS. So if you guys want to win one, WBRgarage.com. You already know the website. You can go there if you want to. If you don't know about it, go to the website. It'll tell you everything. We give bikes away here. It's a good time. If you guys saw the last video, we did a top 5 mods the 450 needed. Luckily, I've got mods for the 300SS. I'm not gonna call this video the mods, the top 5 mods thing. I think we're just gonna like chill in the garage. I'm gonna install some stuff on the bike. I'm gonna show you guys the stuff I install, and it's not gonna be an official like, oh my God, so serious. You get B-roll of every little thing and everything is so particular. It's just gonna be a dude in his garage installing some stuff on his bike that's his now, but he'll eventually give away. I think that's the vibe today. So we're just gonna chill. I'm gonna show you guys some cool mods that I got from CFMOTO to put on the old 300SS that cranks up. We love that. And that's gonna be the video, okay? I got some tunes I'm gonna listen to. We got some stuff. I'll show you it as we're installing it. It's gonna be a good day. Let's get to it. Now, first off, for legal purposes, let's do a little walk around of the bike to show you guys, well, let's not make it have bunny ears. Okay, let's do a little walk around of the bike. That way you guys can see, right now the 300SS is absolutely bone stock. The things we will be installing today, this thing is gonna go away. These little wiggly boys are gonna go away. And this guy is gonna go away, and we're gonna add some little protection here at the end. Yeah, so we got a 300SS totally stock. And no, I still don't have a license plate. Don't worry though, if today goes well, I'll have enough time to leave here and finally go get the license plate for the 300SS if everything goes well today. I think it will, but we'll see. Okay, first thing to install, let's go. Oh my God, that lens is so dirty. How are you guys letting me film with my lens like this? God, so much better. You guys gotta let me know that. All right guys, last time we did some mods on a bike, we started out with a windscreen. It was awesome and easy, so we're gonna start there this time. This one looks smoked. I don't know. We'll find out. Windscreen first. Oh wow, that's definitely smoked. Dude. Does this not look like a freaking Triceratops? Oh my gosh. Chris, give us a side by side. Triceratops, shield, right? Triceratops, we're seeing it, okay? I'm not just imagining things. Awesome. What do we love to see, fam? We love to see good instructions. So, why can I not open the other page? Oh, because it's the other side. Well, okay. We approve of these instructions. Even Chase can do this. Guys, it just me, or does this really give like stump bike vibe? Like the little no windscreen just going kind of like straight over it? I don't know, I can kind of see it. Nice, love the look of that. I don't know guys, I don't think there's any reason to not get a new windscreen on these things. They look so good, especially the darked out ones with the dark bike. I am curious, is it the same size?
Nope.
So way different shape on this one. You can see it's only a little bit taller, but this one's a lot more flat, whereas this one's kind of curved. So it'll be really interesting to see how this handles the wind and how it kind of shoots it around you. Also, I did think of something from the last time I installed the 450 stuff. A lot of you guys were asking, because I gave you links to the CFMOTO website of where you can see all the parts, but a lot of questions came in of where the hell do you order the parts? So I asked CFMOTO. They said currently you have to go through your local dealer. So you can go to the CFMOTO website, which is where I'll put all the links for all this stuff. But on their website, they have a little thing to like find the closest dealer to you. So you just have to contact the dealer, they order the stuff, blah, 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 do all that. So if you want to get any of this stuff, that's how you're gonna have to get it. That, or you can order from AliExpress. Never done that before, but who knows? Okay, what do we have next? All right, next up, let's keep it simple. We have a fresh new seat. Oh, these seats actually look like they use that same material as the 450, which wouldn't be surprising, but I am totally here for that. This will be pretty simple. Let's get it installed. That is so much more firm. Holy crap. Nice. All right, guys, windscreen's on and the new seat is on. This thing is so much more padded and so much more firm than the stock seat. I mean, you can even see how thin that seat is. And then look how much more padded that one is. Damn, boy, he's thick! That's gonna be so nice for longer rides. Okay, cool. It also looks better too. I like the kind of... Alrighty. Okay, that's it for the semi-easy stuff. Now, I mean, this other stuff could be easy too. We'll find out. Next up, CFMOTO offers, check these out. How nice are those? Adjustable levers and lever guards. And if you guys can see, they have the same kind of finish on them. So pretty excited to see how they are gonna look on the bike. Those are the #1 problem I have with this motorcycle is the lever wiggle, which should not be a thing that we judge motorcycles on, as the wiggle of the levers, but some have more wiggle than others. Hopefully these levers get rid of that. So we'll install the levers first, then we'll go to the guards. That is way better quality than any of you guys are gonna expect if you check one of these out. That's awesome. Interesting, no instructions. It's all on us, boys. Feels better, still wiggles though, unfortunately. I do like the look though. Interesting, this one is totally different than the other side. That's kind of strange. All right guys, levers are installed. Incredibly easy install on those. I will say there is still the wiggle on both levers, so I don't love that it didn't solve that problem, the little wigglingness, but I want to take them for a ride to see what I really feel about them. Like right now, the quality of these levers compared to what the bike comes with, night and day different. But I would really like to get rid of the wiggle. I don't really care about this side, but the other side, like look at the quality of that lever compared to what the other one looked like. So quality-wise, big step, but I want to get rid of that. So it might need to be, actually, what happens if we bring this guy up? I guess we kind of need to get rid of this thing then, huh? The little guard. not really necessary. I want to look in to see if I can oh wait. Oh wait, hold on. Hold on, we're getting somewhere. Am I fixing the problem? It is literally wiggling less now. I mean, that actually wiggles less, okay. I'm kind of here for it. I want to take these on a ride before I really decide what I feel like, but I do love the adjustability of them. So you can now adjust the levers. They're both adjustable to make them farther out. I typically like my bikes having it farther out. All right, so that's it for the levers. Now we get to install these cool lever guards. Can you guys see them? Can you see these? Can you see me? Still nothing, whatever. I think they're gonna be cool because they're gonna match these. The question is, what do they do with the bar ends? Time to find out. Guys, I have almost ate shit at least 3 times with this stool. Will you guys get in the comments and let me know of a good shop stool to buy? Because I don't want to be rolling into frame and then all you guys see is my ass go, ah, and fall over. So if you guys have a good shop stool, just let me know what to get, because your boy needs something. You guys ever been installing stuff on your bike, whether you're recording it or not, and everything's just going really simple and really good? There's no issues that pop up. Do you guys get the feeling in your head of like, I messed up, I'm missing something? There is a incredibly important structural element that I have missed, or is something weird is happening? Like, do you guys get the same feeling? Because I'm like, this is all going real well so far today. Kind of makes me worried.
This is not going the way it's supposed to.
All right, this one, there is plenty of clearance. It doesn't even get kind of close. I did everything, and now the bike looks awesome. that was so, oh my God. All right, guys, those are the mods that I got in and installed on 300SS. That went eerily smooth. I don't trust any of it. And by trust any of it, I mean the installation of me with it. I have never installed something on a motorcycle where everything I did was super smooth, no problems, and I feel good about it. Did you guys notice that I missed anything? Or did CFMOTO design their accessories to be easily installed? I don't know the answer. All right, guys, it's kind of awkward this being the end of the video because everything went well and I kind of expected more things to go wrong. But those are the mods on the 300SS. I love the way the guards look. I love that the guards match the levers. I do want to look into more about how to stiffen those levers up, the up and down wiggling of them. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up because I should have enough time to run to the DMV and get my freaking tag for this motorcycle, because I'm tired of making videos in here. I like my garage area, but like I want to ride this thing. So I'm gonna do that. If you guys want to get any of the stuff that I put on here, I'll have links in the description. Remember, those links will take you to the CFMOTO website so you can find the items, but you will have to call your local CFMOTO dealer and get them to order it, blah, 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 do all that. Also, before you leave, if you want to win this motorcycle or our 450 SS, we're doing a giveaway, WBRgarage.com. Go over there, get automatic entries by buying merch or memberships, do whatever you want. It's a good time, and you get this motorcycle for $5. Actually, for $5, you get 10 entries for the membership, so you get like double the points, kind of, because there's 2 bikes giving away. Anyway, I'm gonna run and get a tag. You guys, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see what the hell happens with this motorcycle before we give it away, and I will see you on the next one. If you made it to this point in the video, you're in the outro crew. Congrats, you made it to the end. Put OC in your comment down below and let me know why that went so well. I still don't trust it. I'm Chaseontwowheels, guys. You guys ride safe out there. I'll see you in the next one. Where we install more stuff? Do I have more stuff? Oh, I have good stuff to install on the 450. That's another video. Before the video's done, look what I just picked up. Also, you guys always ask, where are all the bikes? This is what the garage looks like all the time. And then I move them all out for you guys. We have a plate. Next video, we can ride this thing. Okay, see you in the next one. I'm doing the thing. I'm not looking at you guys.